Did you know that the budget for most works deviates on average 28%? At Bimtrazer, we managed to combine BIM, artificial intelligence, and blockchain to change this reality. We articulate the work of different participants. We detect critical elements in the construction works. And we minimize diversion costs. The contractors of each sector receive daily the elements to be executed, prioritizing those that were detected as critical. After its execution, the progress is easily certified by means of a photo of the built element. The construction coordinator receives the performance indicators of each of the work terms for decision-making. This information is protected thanks to blockchain technology, making the traceability of the work safe and reliable. It optimizes resources and saves time. Bimtrazer replaces intuition with science.